Hey guys, I am somewhere here in Plateau de Batéké, and there's a farm here, cow farm. I visit a cow farm here. As you guys can see, there's a lot of cows. We are here in Kinshasa. This farm is located here in Kinshasa, DRC. There's a lot of cows. There's many more cows on the other side. We are here in Kinshasa, DRC. This is the cattle farm. There's a cattle farm I visited here, and there are a lot of cows here.
Hey, yo, Marat.
I don't want to get too close because I'm going to scare them away. But there's quite a lot of cows here. This is Kinshasa, DRC. So here in Plateau de Batéké in Kinshasa, there is a lot of empty lands, very huge lands, and there is some people are doing farming, although it's quite a few people compared to the amount of huge lands available here in Kinshasa.